Hello friends, welcome back to OK Java, and in this quick video I'm just going to demonstrate how to install Azure CLI. So see, if you guys are very new and you have started talking about Microsoft Azure, then you must have this little utility called Azure CLI. Basically it works very well with your Windows command prompt that you have in your system that comes with Windows. So on top of Windows command prompt, you need to install something called Azure CLI to work with the Azure cloud. Right? So I'm just going to explain in this video how to download and how to install and how to verify whether you have Azure CLI installed in your machine or not. Okay. So that being said, let's begin the video. So very first thing, we'll go to the google.com and we'll get the exe file that we need to install the Azure CLI. Okay, so here is my browser and I'm just going to type Azure CLI. Now you see the link here, install the CLI. Just click on that. Now as I'm using Windows, so I just go and click install on Windows. Now I think I would prefer to go with the stable release, so I'll go and click on this one, current release for the Azure CLI. So this particular click will download an exe file on my machine. So basically, as you can see here, I already have the MSI downloaded on my system. So I'm not going to download this one here. I'll simply click on cancel because I already have. But if you guys are installing for the very first time, you have to get this MSI exe file in your system. Let me just cancel. And now I'll take you to my desktop where I have my exe file installed. Double click on this one because it's the exe file. And now you see it has started. You have to accept. Click on install. I hope you can see clearly, right? It says install. Click on install. Now it will take some time. When I say some time, so basically it will take at least 2 to 3 minutes to install the CLI because in the background it does a lot. So now you can see it's done. Let me simply click on finish. Now let me tell you guys one thing here. If you guys are doing it for the first time, when you install CLI, right, you won't be able to make sure that you have done it because it doesn't say anything. It doesn't create any kind of shortcuts or icons or nothing like that. Like if you go here in the all programs on Windows and if you type or if you look for something called Azure, you won't find anything. Let's go and verify whether we have Azure CLI install or not. So the command which I'm typing here, it says Azure is Azure. So basically, as you have started learning about the Azure, you will see like if you will see the very first command you will type on CLI is AZ. It means you are telling your machine that this particular command belongs to Azure cloud, right? Now the next is dash version is the tag to identify the Azure version or CLI version that we have installed on the machine. Let me just go and hit enter. So it will grab all the information about the CLI that we have installed just now. Now you can see here we have installed Angular CLI 2.7.0 and there are other things, right? So by executing this particular command on your Windows command prompt, you will make sure that you have installed